shot at changing the headlight bulbs in the 2013 Chevy Volt. Let's see how it goes. Now getting to the light, I'm going to call this the left side and the other one the right side. The main issue is this hose in the way of getting to this and also the air filter. Some people suggest taking out the air filter, at least taking it off of the mounts so that you can wiggle it around some. I tried that and it actually seemed to put it more in the way for me. So I'm going to skip that and just focus on getting the hose out of the way. And if you'll take a look at the one from the other side, you'll see this cap just has a, you can read close, open as far as direction, righty tighty, lefty loosey. So there's a fin down here that you can kind of get your fingers around, push left, and then slide out. Then you can get your hand in there. Again, if this is too tight, you might consider taking out the air filter. Now, you may want to take this hose and push it down a little bit once you've got the cap off to be able to get in here a little better. Once you get it loose, then feed it out over to the left. A lot of people recommend not touching the bulb, that it can shorten the life of it. So do what you will with that, and then simply unclip this gray, wedge it out, and go get your new one. So it's up to you, but I'm going with this Bosch light bulb, standard 9012. So Amazon, you can check below. Take your new bulb, again, don't touch the actual bulb, and then clip it in place. Feed it in from the left. I got it a little out of line. There we go. You want the wires straight up. Get that to sit in place. And then twist it. Kind of maneuver it to get it just right. What I'm doing is holding this side and then pushing to get it to lock into place. There we go. Again, get your hose out of the way. Cap. Just snap it into place. Hose can go back. And we're good to go. I'm also changing over on the right, the light bulb as well. It's still good, but since we've never changed the light bulbs on this car, I'm going to go ahead and swap out both and then just keep this one that's still good as a spare. So I'll go through the process again. It's much easier to reach this one, and also I'll see what's going on. Use a cloth if you need to. I'm going to keep it right up there while I reach in here, and what I'm going to do is take the bulb again and twist it from, it's kind of angled that way to up, and then pull it out. Again, just the gray clip. And set that aside. We take our new bulb, put clip back on it, and then try and do the reverse process. Putting the bulb in. It can take a while to kind of figure out what sits in there. Alright, now that's in there. Take your cover, put it back in place. It clicks. And that should be it. Let's check, see if they work. Alright, I am going to go ahead and close the hood. Because if the hood is up, the Chevy Volt takes that as a clue that it actually needs to start the engine, even if you have battery power. So, don't want to do that in a garage. If you like this content, please be sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and give us a like. Thanks.